I am super excited to share this puzzle with you. It's a new to me brand, Bespoke Letterpress, and as it seemed like a little bit more to the difficult side, I decided to turn this video more into a strategy video of how I approach this puzzle. And I will talk to you afterwards about my final thoughts about the puzzle itself. So without further delay, let's see how I did this. This is a 1,000 piece puzzle, Art for the Home, by the brand Bespoke Letterpress. And this is an Australian brand. This puzzle I won in the raffle for the 2023-2024 Winter Olympics. And I'm so thankful for Bespoke Letterpress for sending it all the way from Australia to me in South Africa. I've been waiting more or less a year to be able to assemble this, as it is a Christmas theme puzzle. It is now December, and this fit the category for the 2024-2025 Winter Olympics. So I am very excited to start this puzzle. Oh, just look at that, a little thank you card. But as this was a gift or a prize, I must thank them. Beautiful artwork. I love it. And then the pieces. Wat het ek nou met die skerp gemaak? Ah, just look at that. There's a poster included. Full-size poster, which I will not use today. And oh, it's beautiful. Everything about this just speaks of quality. I love the paper the poster is printed on. This might be somewhat on the difficult side, but I think there might actually be enough differences in the flowers to be able to distinguish between all these ornaments. So let's see. Okay, there's a white backing. It looks like a paper backing and with cardboard between. The top seems more matte than shine, so I love that. The finish is quite beautiful. Pieces is nice and thick. Again, this speaks of quality. I am absolutely in love. And already I can only think about how will I get another one to South Africa. Because postage to my country is very, very expensive. Okay. I'm going to start sorting out the edge pieces. The balance I will just flip and we will take it from there. Okay, so we've got a variety of piece shapes, which is very nice. And it also seems that the knobs, prongs, I don't know what you call them, got different shapes and sizes. So I don't think there will be a problem of false fits, which I'm very glad about. And yes, I can confirm there's definitely no high gloss shine on these pieces. So that alone will make this a breeze and a joy to assemble. So let's put the edge together. Okay, so the edge came together very nicely. There was enough color differences here to distinguish which part belongs to which ornament. So I will start now with the most distinguishables with them. The nice peach color one here, the purple one there in the corner, and maybe this yellowish one here. That's the colors that stands out to me the most, and yeah, the very nice fit. I think this will be a joy. Let's see how far I get. Okay, so I completed most of the colors that already stood out to me, the red, the purple, and this peach pink colors, and the yellow. Um, this was not the easiest puzzle I've ever done, but this part went okay. I think from here on out it will be more difficult. I will now focus on the light blue ornaments that's on opposite sides of this red one. So I will do that next and see how that comes together. And obviously, I forgot to turn on the counter after my first progress photo, so I will just completely take that out of the occasion. And yeah, let's see how I progress with this one. Okay, so I finished the two light blue ones as far as I could. So there's more flower pieces that needs to go in there. And I also completed the red ribbons as far as I could. And because they are mostly in and the pieces are and once they are in and the pieces are a lot less, I was able to take out the gold pieces. Now the gold for the little hooks and the gold for that gold ornament is different from each other, so it's easy to determine which goes where. So I will try to put in the gold pieces now, which will be the loops on the ornaments as well as that gold ornament. Okay, so the golds are mostly in. That one is completely finished. I just short that little edge there. So next I will work on flowers. Everything from here on out looks more or less the same. So I will probably start with flowers because the flowers might be more distinguishable where they fit than the background pieces, which is plain dark blue, dark green with white dots. So wish me luck, because I think from here on out I might struggle a bit. Bespoke Letterpress, it's an Australian company, Australian brand. So, final thoughts about this, I do love the quality. It is a nice finish. It's not too glossy, not too shiny. It's more to the matte side with a little gloss, but not enough to make this a struggle to complete. So I did enjoy the finish of the puzzle. The pieces are quite standard thickness. The cardboard, standard recycled cardboard. I did love every minute about this. So I know a lot of the people watching this video will not have access to this brand, but if you do vacation in Australia, I do recommend you check it out. It is worth it to purchase one of these puzzles. And I just want to say again, thank you to Bespoke Letterpress for sending him out to me in South Africa. I do appreciate it. Before I won this puzzle in the raffle, I didn't know about the brand, but I'm at this stage now where I will definitely look out for more of these, even I have to import it in the future. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd like to say thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.